Good morning, class. It is question number 17. Prove that the locus of the center of circle which cuts off a chord of length 2a from x-axis and passes through a point on y-axis at a distance of b from the origin is x square minus 2by plus b square. We know that locus is a curve or line satisfying some specific condition, and the condition is we have to find the locus of the center which cuts off a chord of length 2a from x-axis. And passes through a point on y-axis at a distance of b, that it is distance of point k on y-axis, it is b distance. The circle passes through this point and cuts an intercept of 2a on x-axis. Now we have to find the locus of the center, means we have to find the locus of h comma k, or we have to find an equation in terms of h and k satisfying these conditions. Now it is OM. OM divides the chord AB into equal parts, A and MB is also A, and since it is point 0 comma B, the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, then it is 90, it is also 90. Then the OM distance is equal to O dash K. Now listen. Draw OM perpendicular to AB implies EM equal MB equal A, and join OK. Then OM is equal to O dash K, means OM is equal to B, that is K is equal to B, K equal B. K is equal to B, it is B. Now radius OA, let the center of the circle is h comma k. Now we have to find an equation in terms of h comma k and replace it by x comma y, which is required locus of the center of circle. Now in triangle OAM, OA square is equal OM square plus EM square. OA square equal OM is B and AM is A. Then OA equal square root B square plus A square. Now OA is radius, then it is also equal to OK, because OK is also radius of circle. OK is the distance between 2 point h comma k and 0 comma b, then it is h minus 0 square k minus b square. Now OA equal both side, OA is equal to OK, then we have b square plus k, b square plus a square equal h square k square plus b square minus 2bk. Now squaring both sides, we have b square plus a square is equal h square plus k square plus b square minus 2bk. Now b is equal to k, and it is k square plus a square now k square cancel out. We have an equation in terms of h and k is h square plus b square minus 2bk plus minus a square. Now locus of h comma k, we replace h comma k by x comma y. We have x square minus 2by plus b square minus a square, which is required equation of required locus of the center.